Good morning, good afternoon. Welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. A company called FousNow, FousNow, contacted me and asked me if I wanted to review this product. So I said, why not? You know, this is only a review of the unbagging. But before we continue, please hit the like, subscribe, and comment below on this video. We have the notification bell for other videos. We have a playlist where you can access all the craft that you might be interested in, like DIY miniature houses. I have a different way to approach in the constructions of that, and also in the video how to video it. We have paper towel, we have other craft. Okay, right now I'm in hold of repeating the craft because I don't have the space, and I have to keep on changing and moving and stuff around, and honestly I don't have that time, especially with some of the health issues that I've been having. So without further ado, let's take a look at this. I'm fixing the camera. So it came in a bag, and then it came like this, packed like this, where you can see everything. But let's unpack it. Okay, let's get these other yarn. You get oh, okay, give you a little warming product, you know, when to learn to crochet kit for beginner. It says refers to the stitching method, ignoring the color of the yarn, because the color of the yarn depends on what you get. Okay, so let's keep on having. Oh, we got 1, 2, 3 packs of polyfiling or filling, I should say. We got this, and the one we're gonna do is the bunny. Okay, the rabbit, this one right here, cute rabbit, instruction booklet. Okay, and it also, you have a QR where you can scan the tutorial. Okay, main body, and it tells you the yarn. Okay, you gotta do a magic ring. Okay, it seems like it has safety eyes. We're gonna check on that, but these are the instructions. Stitch abbreviations, and there's some information before you start. Okay. Okay, so, and then it has this DIY handicraft crochet for beginners. Okay, and over here we have a very colorful step-by-step. It tells you the abbreviations, right? It has an abbreviation page. Also over here, which hook do I use? Okay, UK yarn weight, hook size. That's for the people in UK. UK US conversion in terms of the stitches. Okay. Double crochet in UK is a single crochet in United States. And then it gives you tips and tricks of working with the pattern. which is, it looks like it has a lot of information. It looks like it has a lot of pages. This book is 14 pages. Okay, tells you how to hold the hand, holding the hook, making a slip knot, you know, a chain stitch, working into a chain, working in the round. It got all kinds of instructions. Okay, half double crochet, 2 together. That's good. Single crochet, 2 together, and half double crochet. Okay, half double crochet. It tells you the increases. Tells you over here how to do the magic ring. And it tells you double crochet and the double crochet 2 together. So it's very informative, the book, with pictures. Okay, and if you still have doubt, they have the QR code, and you go to the video and they will show you. Now, for the materials, that's a good one. That's a good book. That's a nice book to have handy. Okay, let's see what we got over here. Okay, first of all, we got some head pins in here. Colorful head pins. Okay, that's neat. That helps you to know where you're gonna be. Okay, we got the eyes, and we got the eyes with the safety. I don't know what the flower is for, but probably it's for to make it a keychain, I guess. I don't know. I don't know what the flower is for. But it looks like they gave you enough eyes to make more than one, because you got enough polyfill. Here it is. Because this doesn't look like it's too big. Okay, you have enough polyfill. Maybe you have more to do, more than one, so you can practice. We're gonna check the yarn. Then you get, which is very important, then you get 2 hot gun glue sticks. So in case, so you want to reinforce the safety eyes on the inside. You want to fill them out. Okay. You got 2 yarn needle, one a big one and one a smaller one. You get the crochet hook, which is 2.5 millimeters. Okay, and it's a very good one. It's ergonomic and it's a long one, so you know it should help you. And then you get some stitch markers. Like, I don't have enough stitch markers. Okay, so let's check the yarn. Let me put this back so I don't have everything, you know, all spread out. So they recommended 2.5 millimeters. Some people recommended 3.5. Okay, so we got 3, no 1, no 2, we got 3 polyfills. So you can have enough in there. And this looks like it's gonna be enough yarn. Let's see what type of yarn it is. It looks like it's chenille. Oh yeah. But for me to work with chenille, I have to do it during daytime. This one looks like it's acrylic. Okay. These 2. These are for the mouse. for the mouth. That little bit, and look at what they gave you. That little bit, and look what they gave you. Look, you only need this, like even about, not even 6 inches. And look all they gave you. Plus you got the polyfill, that means you can make more than one. Okay, this is a chenille yarn. I'm assuming that this is for inside the ears, I guess. Or to even make another one, another type of, but 2.5 millimeter on this one, I don't know. This is like a cream color chenille yarn. And I honestly believe you have enough over here to make 2. Not only 1, 2. And then there is the gray one. I don't know what the gray one was because I don't see the need. Let me see. This is the instructions. It says red, but this is not red. This is kind of orangey look. Okay. It is very, I'm gonna make it to see this one, and then to see how it work plays out with the crochet hook. I know that I bought some in some other store, but these, they contacted me and I want to do this one. I want to give them this is my honest review. So far, so good. You got enough yarn to do more than one. And then you got the safety eyes. This is something that struck me because some of these other ones, cheapos, they don't include the safety part of the eye. They're not safe. Okay, you just stick it in there and that's it. And no, they should. I don't know what this flower it is for. Oh my goodness. Okay, it got one. Hold on. It got one, and it got 2 holes. So I'm assuming that this is for a keychain. The only thing that is missing is the little keychain stuff. But anyway, let's, you know, this is good. This is good. And I think they are on Amazon. I'm gonna spell it for you. FousN as in Nancy, OW. FousNow. They contacted me, and I'm very pleased with this so far in pre-review. Okay, we got enough of this. Oh my God. I wonder if I should make more than one to see how many will come out. Okay, so let's see. Okay, and this is it for this review, right, of these yarns, of this kit by FousNow Cute Rabbit instruction crochet to learn to crochet. It has the handy guide, which is very complete. So, and it has all the pieces that you need, and plenty of polyfill, 3 packs. And when you open this is vacuum sealed, but when you open this, there's a lot in there. Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope you like this pre-review. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.